G'day folks, Uncle Knackers here from DIY for Knuckleheads with a very quick video today to select the winner in my latest competition where you can take home one of these magnificent Uncle Knackers approved cutting boards. Is it going to be you? Let's find out. I have to say this was a very popular competition. I was actually quite amazed. I had well over 100 correct answers, but like I said before, I can only select the first 20. So the moral of the story is, next time I hold one of these competitions, get in early and don't tell your mates. And if you can see your name on that cutting board, you're in the draw. Congratulations and good luck. Now the format for the draw is pretty straightforward. I have a bunch of names which I'll drop from a height onto this target, and the name that finishes up closest to that bullseye wins the cutting board. Too easy. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Got the names in my hand. Drum roll please, maestro. And away we go. Look at that. Have a look at that. Sean Rumney, smack in the middle of that bullseye. I'll just focus in there so you can see. There you have it. Sean, aka Deadeye Dick Rumney. Well done, Sean. Congratulations, mate. And that chopping board is on its way. Well done, Sean. This is all yours, and I'll be in contact shortly so we can organise the shipping of your brand new cutting board. And while I'm here, a big thank you to everybody who watched my last video and who took the time to enter the competition. I really appreciate it, and I hope you can stick around for my new video, which will be coming up shortly. Oh yeah, and also while I'm here, if you've got time, do yourself a favour and head on over to DIYforKnuckleheads.com, my brand new website, link in the description box down below, where you can sign up to my email list to get the latest and greatest in the world of DIY for Knuckleheads. Alrighty, be safe, until next time, I'm out of here. Cheers.